सो गाइस मेरे पीछे है फोर्स गुरेका कस्टमाइज वेरिएंट। आप देख सकते हैं वहाँ पर लगी है नॉर्मल फोर्स गुरेका एंड ये है कस्टमाइज। इसमें सुपर हाई प्रोफाइल टायर्स है। आई जस्ट गिव यू अ फ्रंट लुक ऑफ दिस व्हीकल। तो जैसे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कस्टमाइज वेरिएंट है, वहाँ पर नॉर्मल फोर्स गुरेका जो रोड स्पेक वेरिएंट है, जो प्रोडक्शन वेरिएंट है वो है।
If you compare it, it is almost 1.5 times taller than the normal variant, that is the standard variant. And it has got some real monster stance with super high profile off-road spec tires. Roof light, bull bars, winch, snorkel completes its front end look. Coming to the side, which is no different, with its high travel suspension setup both at the front and at the rear. Ladder rails and carrier is the most important component, which is adding charm to this beast.
So I'll just show you the गाड़ी पीछे से कैसी है। तो इसमें पीछे दो जेरी कैंस भी है। मतलब पूरा ये कस्टमाइज व्हीकल है गुरेका का ही। वो सामने गुरेका नॉर्मल वाली खड़ी हुई है, दोनों सेम, दोनों के प्लेटफॉर्म हाइट सेम है। बट अभी मैं पैरेलली कैमरे को ऐसे करता हूँ जो आपको हाइट का अंदाज़ा लगे कितनी हाइट है। जैसे आप देख रहे हैं इसमें इस फ्रेम में वो गुरेका भी है एंड कस्टमाइज भी है। यहाँ पर ये फ्रेम का आधा आ रही है एंड इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट going outside the frame. So this is how tall this vehicle is. पूरा सस्पेंशन कंपोनेंट चेंज है इस व्हीकल में, दैट इज़ व्हाट इट्स मेकिंग इट सो टॉल। ये अपनी गुरेका है नॉर्मल वाली, दो इट इज़ नाउ BS6 अपडेटेड एंड इट गेट्स फ्यू चेंजेस।
सो गाइज आपने गुरखा एंड गुरखा की मॉडिफाइड वेरिएंट देख ली। तो गुरखा नाउ गेट्स अ फ्यू मॉडिफिकेशन एज कंपेयर टू द प्रीवियस वर्जन दैट विल बी लॉन्च दिस ईयर, दैट इज 2020. It has not been launched officially, though it has been showcased in the Auto Expo 2020. So the new Gurkha gets some updates as compared to the previous model, which includes a BS6 compliant engine. Obviously it has to be BS6 compliant. Some changes to the headlights, some changes to the setting arrangement. Also the dashboard is more premium, more modern as compared to the previous model, where it gets a TFT color display. Now talking about the modified variant. The modified variant looks very premium, it looks very attractive, it looks very rugged. But thing is, the only thing that I find faulty about that is that it has got the same engine that is producing 90 PS of power and around 280 Newton meters of torque. Though the car is not going to make it to the production, but when it has got all these good specs, that is high travel suspension, off-road spec tires and whatnot, it should have got some better engine, or maybe it should be tuned differently so that it makes at least 150 horses. That is what I think it should make, but it is not going to come to the production stage as of now, so it does not matter. But what do you think, it should have more power or not? Though it is not going to come to the production variant, but imagine such a huge vehicle having only 90 horses. I know everything does not depend on the horsepower, but when you compare the modified variant with Gurkha standard, then you will feel that the power should be more. At least on paper it feels like the power is little bit less. That is about it, but it is not going to make into the production as of now. I don't think so. What do you think, it will make into the production or not? So yeah, one more thing, the only competitor I think that Gurkha has right now and in future also it is going to have is the Mahindra Thar. Mahindra Thar is also going to be updated in the 2020 form, which more or less looks like the Jeep Wrangler, though there's no official confirmation. I've just seen some rendered pictures, that is I'm telling you. So what would you choose between Force Gurkha and Mahindra Thar? Vote by clicking on the I button above, and yeah, thank you for watching.